Hi friends, this is Suren. Welcome to SQL channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and support me before watching this video. One of the largest vaccination drive is happening in India right now. Recently, Government of India had announced that vaccination drive will be open for all age groups between 18 years to 45 years from 1st May 2021. Today, 28/4/21, from 4 p.m. onwards, we can start register oneself for this vaccination drive in CoWIN portal. So this video is all about live demo of how to register ourselves in CoWIN portal. So let's get started. On their official handle of Aarogya Setu app, they had mentioned registration for 18 plus to begin on cowin.government.in, Aarogya Setu app and Umang app at 4 p.m. on 28th April. Appointments at state government centers and private centers depending on how many vaccination centers are ready on 1st May for vaccination for 18 plus. So they had given the registration link also here. So we are going through this directly. It's loading. So this is the official website, cowin.gov.in. I will repeat once again, cowin.gov.in. And this is the home page of CoWIN portal. So ASH largest vaccine drive with a PM picture, and here they had mentioned that registration for age group between 18 to 44 will be open on 28th April 2021 at 4 p.m. Below that they had given the statistics that how many of them had taken the vaccination till date, and daily they are updating this website. You can go through it. And there is a tab called register yourself. We are going to go through that and how it works. We need to register ourselves first, and then we need to choose the location. We need to confirm our slot, and if there is any question, we can go through this frequently asked question. And they also had given that how to book your appointment in PDF format, so you can click and check it out. You can save this copy. So they had given in detailed user manual that how to register ourselves in CoWIN portal. So you can go through once this video is over, and you can pass on this to everyone. Register or sign in yourself. I'm just clicking it. I had already registered myself in this CoWIN app to register for my mother, who is actually 45 plus years with comorbidities, but I have not scheduled an appointment for vaccine dose till now. Today I'm going to do it for her. So let's get started. I'm giving my mobile number to get OTP. So waiting for my OTP. Yeah, I had received it. It's 107291. See, I told you already that I had linked an account. I had created an ID for my mother. Her name is Sasikala. She is around 51 years of age. For those one, it is showing clearly that appointment not scheduled. I'm going to schedule right now. So before scheduling the appointment, I would like to show that how I had registered for my mother. I had done the registration for her around 1 month ago. At the time, I can't be able to schedule an appointment. Let's see her registration process. As usual, I had given my mobile number. I had received an OTP, and through OTP, I'm logging in to the portal. With the help of Aadhaar card, I had done a registration. So our Aadhaar card number is 287305141890, and then her name Sasikala J. And then female. Only the year of birth 1968. So after giving her date of birth, do you have any comorbidities, pre-existing medical conditions? Because she is 45 plus years. I mean, she falls under the category between 45 to 60. So between 45 to 50, if a person is having a comorbidities only, we can able to register and go for vaccination. In that phase, when I'm registering for her, yes, she is having diabetes and BP for around 15 years. So I'd given yes and completed her registration. It's been logged out automatically. Now I'm once again giving my mobile number to receive an OTP. With the help of OTP, I'm going to log in once again. I can see that my mother name is featuring in the linked individuals. Okay, so now it's time to verify her name and gender, year of birth, and what is the photo ID which we had given. An ID number, only last 4 digits it's visible, and in status it is showing us not scheduled. So we are going to schedule our appointment in this video. And also in action column there are 2 things. One is scheduling, and also we can delete the individual also. So before that, I will show you that how to register ourselves in this portal. So I'm going to register myself in this. Okay, what are the photo ID proof required to register ourselves in this CoWIN portal? Aadhaar card, license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card, and voter ID. I am going to register myself with the Aadhaar card. So that is the easy and simplest way. Okay, name as in Aadhaar card. Date of birth. Only year they are requested. It is showing error because we can do it only after 4 p.m. It is mentioned clearly that registration is open only for the individuals with age 45 years or older. So it's clear. After 4 p.m. we can do for ourselves. Okay. Now I'm going to schedule appointment for my mother whom I had registered already. Yeah. We can give schedule. Okay. It is showing that schedule now below. I'm just giving it. Now I'm going to enter my either there are 2 options. Either I can search by district or else I can just give my pin code. It is the easiest way to schedule the appointment. Okay, search. Yeah. These are the available dates. The green dates are available for the vaccination purpose, and the white dot and all, I think it has been closed. There is no appointment. And for the paid vaccination, it is clearly showing that an indication as paid. We need to pay there and get our vaccination. And they clearly mentioned that what are the vaccines available in that center. For example, you can see here Anjugam Nagar UPHC Covaxin, Anjugam Nagar UPHC Covishield. So it's up to us which vaccine to take. So I prefer Covaxin, and today is 28, so let me schedule for my mother 29. Which one is nearby me? Yeah, Lakshmipuram. This area is nearby me. Let me check. Luckily it is having a Covaxin. We just click 43. Okay. We can select the time slot also. So 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, this will be ideal. 1 to 3 p.m. and there is a reference ID here. I'm just going to give confirm. Let me see what's happening now. Okay, superb. My appointment has been fixed and your appointment details have been sent on your registered mobile through an SMS. Okay, let me check. Yeah, I had received an appointment number also. So they had mentioned Lakshmipuram UP HC vaccine, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, date 29th April, time 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But my appointment is between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. It has been clearly shown in preference. So name and reference ID. Instructions, let me read the instruction for you guys. Please carry the photo ID card mentioned in your appointment details for vaccination. If you have any comorbidities, please carry a medical certificate with you for this vaccination appointment. For more information, please call COVID helpline 1075. So now I'm going to close this. Yeah, in home page it is shown that dose 1 Lakshmipuram, the appointment schedule, and there is an option for reschedule also if you click here, and this is the appointment slip which we had seen few seconds ago. In this add more column we can add ourselves. So for one mobile number maximum 4 individuals can be added. It has mentioned here clearly you can add up to 4 individuals with one mobile number. Hey guys, I hope this entire video is clear and it will be very much useful for you and your family members and friend circle. It's our duty to get vaccinated and also educate others to get vaccinated. Just repeat the same registration process as I had done for my mother for age group 18 plus years from today 4 p.m. onwards. I hope this COVID registration process video is very much useful for you. If you like this video, I kindly request you to like and share it with your friends, family, and also on your social media accounts to create an awareness on COVID registration and COVID vaccination. Do subscribe to our SQH channel for useful update like this. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.